Hello, first grade friends. It is Miss Cardwell here. We are going to be doing Fundations today. We're on Unit 11, and today is Tuesday. For today, we're going to review what our bonus letter is. We're going to learn about some long vowel sounds and how to mark up our words when it's a long vowel compared to a closed syllable. We're going to talk about the S sound, and sometimes it can make different sounds than just S. And then we're going to review some of our trickster words that can be super tricky. All right, first. I hope you remember this song. It is our bonus letter song to Old Town Road. I'm gonna take my F, my L, and S. I'm gonna add to the end of the word. I'm gonna take my F, my L, and F if there's a short vowel in front. All right, let's look at some other words. You've seen these before. Let's tap out the first word. Ready? Tap it, make it happen. F, puff. So I see there's a bonus letter there, so I always put my star above it. Whenever you have that F, L, or S sound at the end of the word and there's a short vowel in front of it, you have to put your extra bonus letter there and make sure you put your star above it so you know it's a bonus letter. All right. Today we're going to be working on long vowel sounds. So you know that A usually makes the A, apple, A, E, ed, E, I, itch, I, O, octopus, ah, and U, up, Today we're going to be working with the A and the O. Now sometimes we can say A, safe, A, O, home, O. So the A and the O are making a long O sound there. If you see in the words, there's an E at the end of the word. That is causing the A to say its name in the word safe. In the word home, there's an E at the end of the word, and it's causing the O to say its name as O. It makes it into the long vowel sound. Let's look at some more examples. All right, here we have lane, chase, grade. In all three of those words, the A is making the long A sound. In the next row, we have vote, pole, slope. And we're going to learn how we can mark up those words. So when the word is making the long vowel sound, which means it's A or the O sound in there, we have to mark it up with a new way. So first, let's look at the word chase. I'm going to underline my word because that's my base word. Now, if it's making the long A sound, you're going to put a macron above it. And that's just a fancy way of showing us that it's a long vowel sound. The way that I like to remember a macron is macron. So it's going to be a nice long line above our vowel, just like that. Okay? It's different than our breve, which is like the small smiley face. This is showing us that the macron is making the long A sound in the word ace. Then you cross off your E, because it's a silent sound. Underneath, you're going to put V dash E. Because then we know that there's a vowel. The V stands for vowel. There's a dash there that stands for a letter in between, and our E is at the end of the word. Let's mark up another word. Let's do slope. I'm going to underline my base word. Put my macron above the O. Cross off my E because it's silent. And then underneath I do my vowel for the O, dash, and then my E at the end. Because there's my silent E at the end. So you have just learned your long A and your long O and how to mark up those words how to mark up the new words. All right, next. We know that usually the S makes the S sound, or sometimes in other words, if it comes at the end, you can make the Z sound, as in bugs. It also can make the Z sound when it's in between an E and a vowel in front of it. So right here we have the word wise. That was a wise answer. If you listen to the word wise, the S is making the Z sound because it has a vowel in front of it and the E is at the end. So when the S has the vowel in front of it, and the E is at the end, it's going to make the Z sound. Let's look at a couple more words. Do you know what this word is? Eyes. Rise. Please rise and wait for your turn to go to the board. The next word, surprise. So it's making that Z sound in there again. So now we know that whenever you see it in between the vowel and it has the E at the end, it's going to make that Z sound. All right, next let's review some trickster words. We have the word two. To is two. TOO is also two, but this one means also or very. And I'm going to show you some examples of how to use that to. And then the TWO is as in the number two. I have 2 pencils. Let's look at some examples. I would like to have pizza for dinner. So I'm saying I would like to have pizza for dinner. I am eating pizza too. And I could say I am eating pizza also. It is too hot. It is very hot. So that's another way that TOO, you know which version of two that you're using. The last one, I have 2 sisters. That's a number of an amount of sisters that I have. All right, let's look at one of our sentences real quick. I would like to have pizza for dinner. I would like to have pizza for dinner. I would like to have pizza for dinner. And I would circle that trickster word and any other ones, but right now I'm just going to circle 2. I am eating pizza too. I am eating pizza too. It is too hot. I have 2 sisters. All right, friends, you do have a quick activity to do at the end of the lesson. I will see you tomorrow for another Fundations lesson. Take care.